National Forest Avalanche Center. It's February 26th, and I'm standing up here at about 2,900 feet Triangle Bowl on Seattle Ridge. We've been looking around back here. Our main concern for today is fresh wind slams with these northwest winds that we've had blowing for the last 2 days. We dug a pit at about 2,500 feet on a southwest aspect. Didn't see anything alarming in our tests, and so our main concern is just with those surface instabilities. We've been finding great riding and skiing conditions on protected slopes, especially a little bit below the ridge lines, but we're really being careful to avoid steep wind-loaded terrain for now. Looks like tomorrow is going to be a little bit quieter, but these slabs that are